Hey guys, I know you've probably seen this video, but I was watching this and I watched it two or three times because I was just like in disbelief of how this Kia uh, got the kind of air it got with this tire rolling up underneath it. So as I'm watching it, I finally noticed something, and I don't know if anybody else has noticed this or not, but we're going to see this again here in just a second, right after that tire gets one last crack at its victim there. But we're going to zoom in on this a little bit and we're going to see what happened. Now, this is a classic sign of a bad wheel bearing and a hub coming apart. Now, if you watch right here, so the wheels come off, the tire's going to get one last crack at its victim right there. And right about here, you can see that the brake rotor is still attached to the wheel. Now, the only way the brake rotor can be attached to the wheel is if the lug nuts and the studs are still intact and all that is still tight against at least the outer part of the hub. I can almost guarantee you that this guy has probably been driving around with that hub growling like crazy, and he didn't care. He just figured that the truck's still running, it's still driving. I'll deal with that later on. But I want to show you what a hub that's coming apart and is growling looks like. So this is a hub, this is a bad hub right here and bearing. And you can see some of the bearings are already missing. Sometimes you'll see these things, they will actually be, the bearings will be sideways in them. And it's just amazing at how bad these hubs can get, and people still drive on them instead of getting them changed out. This was 100% preventable. If he would have had his hub changed, that wouldn't have happened. Anyway, we'll watch this one last time just because of the entertainment effect of it. But I'll guarantee you right there, that hub is growling, finally decides that, I've had enough. I mean, there's no telling how hot that hub is right now when it finally decides to let loose. And from all indications, I've been told that that's about a 2011 Silverado. I've not been able to confirm that, but yeah, I've been told that it's a Silverado. So about a 2011 model, thereabouts. If anybody knows the exact model year, leave a comment because I'm curious. Anyway, just wanted to show that and show that the rotor is still attached to the hub, which is a classic indication that the hub has come apart. So if you hear a growling in the front of your vehicle, have it looked at, because there's a good chance that the hub is coming apart. You guys take care.